Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the tech news of the day. Now, the first news is from Apple. So iPhone SE4's full specifications have been leaked and these are the specifications. The most interesting thing is it'll be coming with Apple A16 Bionic chip. It'll have wireless charging up to 12 watts and it also comes with MagSafe. I guess this is going to be the most interesting thing about this phone besides the fact of its new display design and its pricing. YouTube is testing a new design for its web page. So this is how it looks. Now the description and the comments can be checked directly on the right side, and below the video we get tons of recommendations. What do you think about this new look? Personally, I really don't like it. TSMC has been working on a 2nm process from 2022, and according to the latest rumors, iPhone 17 Pro might come with a 2nm processor. So that's definitely something to look forward to, but it's going to happen next year. And after this 2nm process, we'll be seeing something called as enhanced 2nm process. After that will be 1.4 nanometers, which will definitely be a major breakthrough. Samsung has brought out a lot of AI features with its S24 lineup. And at the start, they had very few languages, but now they've added a few more. Well, to start off, they added 3 new languages and 3 dialects. The 3 languages are Arabic, Indonesian, and Russian. And as for dialects, we have Australian English, Cantonese, and Canadian French. Later this year, we'll be seeing 4 new languages. That's Romanian, Turkish, Dutch, and Swedish. And 2 more dialects, that's traditional Chinese and European Portuguese. At least in the near future, we aren't seeing any new Indian languages. Facebook Messenger has brought in a new feature which allows you to share high-definition images, and you can create shared albums and videos and share it with your friends, and you can share bigger files as well. While WhatsApp already supports this feature where you can send high-definition photos, well, now it's on Facebook Messenger as well. In the latest announcement, Google has announced that some of its AI products or AI editing tools, features like Magic Eraser, Photo Unblur, and Portrait Light will be for free for everyone using Google Photos. That's definitely cool because you don't have to buy a premium flagship phone like an S24 to access these AI features. And these features work pretty well as well. WhatsApp is testing a new AI chatbot called the Meta AI. Well, it's still in this testing phase. It's even testing in India, and this is how it looks. It'll give you prompts. You can ask it anything. You can ask it to code. You can have a normal conversation. You can ask it any kind of question and it'll give you an AI generated answer, which is pretty cool, and that's probably for free. Okay, Apple seems to be working very hard on making iPhones more repairable. Now earlier, Apple used to have something called as parts calibration process. So if you take up iPhone part from another phone and put it on your phone, it'll not work. Well, now Apple seems to be relaxing these parts calibration process. So now you can use parts from other phones, but still, if you're using a part from a stolen iPhone or lost iPhone, it still won't work, but still it's pretty good. And I guess maybe in 2 to 3 years, we will be able to comfortably repair your own iPhones at a cheaper price. Probably. By the way, there's a new teaser for Push Part 2. Let me know how it looks. And that's all the news I have for today. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't, do hit the dislike button, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. See you next time.